What's the meaning of butterfly? Butterfly. Butterfly.
Butterfly. Butterfly. A butterfly is a type of insect with distinctive wings that are often brightly colored and patterned. Butterflies undergo a transformational process called metamorphosis, which involves the development from egg to larva, then to pupa, and finally to adult butterfly. They are important pollinators for many plants, and their presence indicates a healthy ecosystem. In addition to their ecological significance, butterflies also hold cultural significance in many societies, representing beauty, freedom, transformation, and spirituality. Overall, the butterfly symbolizes growth and change, beauty, and the delicate balance of nature.